Alright, so this is a 2012 Gsxr 750. I was having issues last weekend. My one cylinder isn't firing right. I'm getting fuel to it. It was on the spark plugs. My old spark plug was completely destroyed on the tip on cylinder 1. So let's see, where is that? Where the hell did I put it? Come on. I had a hell of a day today already. Messing around with all kinds of shit. Alright, I don't know where the hell I put that spark plug, but anyway. So, these are the E3s spark plugs. Focus. This thing is horrible at focusing. Right there. So, this entire tip right here was gone. It was black all throughout here and all right here where all the white is. It was completely black. The tip was destroyed, completely gone. This is one of the old ones I took out in the other cylinders. All the other cylinders are firing, but not cylinder 1. So a bunch of tests that I've done. Oh, here it is. Yeah. That's that same plug. Tip's gone, destroyed. Just melted. This is where I was saying it's showing where it's black at right here. So, complete failure in the spark plug. Got into everything in the motor. I did my tests for spark with the spark plug and the coils. These are new coils too that I have. And I tested them all with the multimeter and set it to ohms, k ohms, and everything worked out. They're coming back where they should be on the reading. So the coils are good. I tested I put a new spark plug in that coil and turned the bike over, and it gave me spark. I had it up against the cylinder wall on the inside right down here, and it gave me spark on the plugs itself. Well, that's fine. Batteries charged all the way. Everything was popping up just fine. So the issue wasn't in my spark plug. I was getting fire there. So the only other thing was I wasn't getting the right air flow. Mixture, fuel, air, spark. I was getting the spark and I was getting the fuel, so I wasn't getting the air. Something was either clogged or complete cylinder just was gone. So I went ahead and took my valve cover off, took the throttle body off, plugged out everything, the whole wiring harness, all that. So what I'm noticing here is, so check this out. So cylinder 4, all right, focus in there. So the valves are closed. That's cylinder 4. So cylinder 3 focus. Valves are closed. Cylinder 2, same thing, valves are closed. Cylinder 1, the issue. My valves are open, only on cylinder 1. Yeah, as you guys can see, that's the issue that I'm having. They're stuck open, I'm assuming, so I'm getting too much airflow into cylinder 1, or my piston isn't moving. That's 2, 1, or 3, sorry, 4. So piston is not moving on cylinder 1. So if I can get in there, there's some light shined in there. There's my spark plug. That's cylinder 1. So that's the new spark plug that I put in there. Cylinder 2. Pretty dark in there. It's pretty dirty. So that's the issue that I'm having. And I just pulled, took me fucking forever to get my last bolt out because of the valve cover, because of this stupid thing right here, which I don't know what the hell it's for, other than to get in my way of my valve cover for the last bolt that sits right up under there. None of my sockets would fit right there with the ratchet. I have this little guy. The head of that would hit that fucking metal thing on the frame. This is the bolt that is there. Finally got the damn thing out, stripped. So the issue wasn't that it was stripped, it was because I couldn't fucking get anything in there to get it out, and I tried so many things. This is the inside of the valve cover. So I took my bike apart already and did a valve adjustment on it. So these rubber gaskets are brand new. All of that's brand new. Gaskets here are brand new. So I went ahead and did all that already. So, not seeing anything right here. Only other thing to do is take the tire head off from here and see what the hell the issue is with the valve. If anybody knows what the hell's going on, let me know, 'cause I have no clue.